Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can completely transform your real estate business: lead generation strategies of the top 1% of agents. And more importantly, how to figure out which ones actually make sense for you. If you're tired of trying every new lead source under the sun, this is the video that'll help you get focused, simplify your strategy, and build a pipeline that actually performs. Let's get into it. Before we talk strategy, let's talk about lead types. Not every lead is created equal, and if you treat them all the same, you're going to waste time, energy, and money. Here's how I break them down. A leads, ready to move in 30 days or less. B leads, planning to move in 30 to 90 days. C leads, might move in 3 to 12 months. D leads, cold, unresponsive, or not interested yet. This simple classification will help you know which strategies to use and what kind of follow-up each lead really needs. Now, let's look at what the top 1% of agents are doing differently. They don't try everything. They master what we call the core 8, 4 lead generation strategies, supported by 4 marketing channels. The 4 lead gen strategies. 1. Sphere of influence, SOI. This is your low-hanging fruit. Past clients, friends, family, your network. They already know you. Focus on staying top of mind, offering value, and building trust. 2. Organic and social media. This builds your personal brand. Use content to educate, engage, and stay consistent. It's a longer game, but it builds a powerful inbound lead machine. 3. Paid ads. Facebook, Google, YouTube. Ads work when you have the right message and follow-up. Great for scaling lead flow if you have a marketing budget. 4. Cold data. Think FSBOs, expireds, absentee owners, or geo-farming lists. These leads won't come to you, you've got to go to them. But done right, they work. So how do you know which strategies are right for you? Here's what you need to assess. Mindset. Are you ready to prospect? Are you more relationship-focused or systems-focused? Activity level. How much time do you really have each day for lead gen? More time equals organic and SOI. Less time equals ads and automation. Skill set. Are you strong on the phone, on camera, in person? Choose strategies that match your strengths. Budget. What can you afford to invest in lead generation right now? Here's a simple rollout plan. Stage 1, start with SOI and organic content. Stage 2, layer in cold data plus automation. Stage 3, scale with paid ads and events. Pick 1 or 2, master them, and then move to the next stage. Real quick, here are some of the biggest mistakes I see agents make. Treating all leads the same, jumping from strategy to strategy without going deep. No system for follow-up, not tracking what's working, copying others without thinking about fit. Remember, it's not about doing more. It's about doing what works for you and doing it well. If you're ready to simplify your strategy and start generating leads the smart way, I want to invite you to create your free light user account today. You'll get a free CRM done-for-you social media content, marketing automation templates, paid ad creation tools, and our entire monthly sales and marketing toolkit. It's everything you need to get started without trying to piece it all together yourself. Click the link in the description below to create your free account. And let's start building your pipeline the way the top 1% do. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.